Large plots are not essential for lavish homes, but a thoughtful space planning can break the limitations of small plots by making it breathable, inviting adequate natural light and ventilation. This 2600 square feet plot has short frontage of just 29 feet and depth of 90 feet, surrounded by very close neighboring bungalows and have a common wall on one side. The client wanted a 4 BHK bungalow, was a bit worried about two things: shorter frontage and very less margins with neighboring bungalows. We took it as a challenge, making this home breathable and far-reaching in every aspects like functionality, design and aesthetics, full of natural light and aeration. This bungalow is an example of carving of spaces from grey textured volume. The beige color cladding frames gives an identity to the bungalow. The triple height white textured frame binds the bungalow in a flap. Also, we thought to make step gardens in the front on the northeast side, which will be the most usable space even in the daytime as it becomes a shelf-shaded structure. To create a welcoming entry, we have provided MS pergolas on the entrance veranda. We divided the floor plate into three parts. The front zone is for public activities, and the rear zone accommodates the private activities. Vestibule becomes the highlight of the interiors inside. As you enter into the house, this is your formal living area. This has been connected with the garden, which is on east facing. We have cladded this wall with burnt brick in herringbone pattern, and stone veneer cladding gives a significance to this 25 feet long drawing room. From this point, you can see the seamless flow and visual connectivity of the house without wall barriers hindering the vision. This thought made the house more spacious from inside. The central zone is a heart of bungalow with a huge triple height void with a skylight. The stone cladding on this triple height wall highlights the uniformity between all three floors. We are at the dining area, having a great source of light penetrating it throughout the daytime, and this allows easy communication from all three floors. In the central zone, we have placed staircase with lift, which is well connected to the larger triple height dining space. Master bedroom is significantly placed in the corner, maintaining its privacy. Its subtle interior tones with wooden strips make this bedroom more spacious. A guest bedroom is also accommodated on this floor. On first floor, a cantilever passage gives a vibe of openness and hugeness. This passage connects to the son bedroom in the front and daughter bedroom in the rear. Also, a puja space with library is provided, which is overlooking to the dining in central zone. Large size son bedroom is a soft mixture of stone veneer and wooden fluted panel. The attached elevated garden provides the user to get closer to the nature. Daughter bedroom has become the point of attraction for its hugeness in this narrow house and also for the cement-based MCM panels. On second floor, there is a large semi-covered terrace garden in the front and an entertainment room in the rear side. The entertainment room is well treated with acoustic panels, creating a warm ambience for the user. This house is visually connected from inside while standing in the central zone. Same way, it has been connected from outside because of step gardens on all three floors. This narrow house is an example of going beyond the limitations.